Namahalu.
Both of them almost exploded. Ooh.
Hello, I'm Kumju. I'm going to be the host in this video, and these are the guests for this video. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hello, I'm Amber. I'm from Mongolia and I'm a computer engineering student from the UK.
Hi, I'm Ollie. I'm a computer science major and I come from Incheon.
Good. Do you have any idea what we're gonna do today?
Let's try some food in the convenience store.
Okay, so we're gonna pick one from here.
Yep. Just pick one. Do I have to read it out
Yeah.
loud? It's Mark special. Ingredients: tteokbokki, spaghetti in cup noodles, string cheese, and sausage. I think it's a bit of a good combination.
Okay. Okay. Let's go.
Okay, where can I find that tteokbokki?
Tteokbokki. They're all tteokbokki, actually. This one is tteokbokki.
Okay. This is the
Yeah, that's the. Did you get the sausage?
It's okay, right?
Ooh. Should I go for my stuff?
Yeah. Okay. The whole fridge.
No.
This one, the
My
whole.
my card was declined.
Okay. What is it?
It's about to be good.
Oh.
It's gonna be the 4 cheese, and we're gonna add more cheese to that.
Ooh.
I guess.
Oh, I'm paying for it.
Chicken's almost done. Oh, almost exploded. Both of them almost exploded. Ooh, perfect timing though. Just put it aside. Oh. Food is getting cold.
Oh,
Mine is hard to make.
sorry.
It has a lot of stuff.
I'm
Skill issue.
어? 아니다, 이거.
The spaghetti and
We're gonna follow the instruction in the package. I washed my hand before the
It's
shooting.
okay.
Oh, 죄송합니다. 아, 아, 나. The hot water is not working. 하네.
and then string cheese.
You know how they have
Yeah. Bro, should I go make them?
I've just sliced it and put it in that.
Yeah.
I'm going to make the 불닭볶음면 짜장 불닭 Korean spicy chicken noodle black noodle. What? Chicken black noodle. That's an interesting mixture. explain about your special menu, Alex?
So this is the 4 types of cheese with an addition of more cheese, which is mozzarella. Mixed
Penta
with
cheese.
chicken.
Yes.
I like it a lot because, well,
How's the food?
It's pretty good. Like it's better than expected. It took longer than I expected to make, but like it's good.
It's good.
It's good.
Are you gonna
It's
have
really
it later?
good. Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Okay. Can you describe the taste?
It's like it doesn't taste anything like spaghetti,
Oh yeah.
but
Can I try?
yeah.
While you explain.
And then it has like a spicy taste of tteokbokki, which makes the combo good, I guess. It has like a unique taste, right?
I think it's better than I expected. It's good. It doesn't taste like spicy tomato
Yeah.
as I expected. It's good. Are you interested in like Korean food or?
I'm actually interested in like cooking Korean traditional
Oh,
food,
okay.
but I don't know where. Like I don't know how.
Oh, I've got a good one. IFEZ is the organization that wants to provide good stuff to foreigners in Songdo, Cheongla, Yeongjongdo.
Okay.
So if you go to G Tower, IFEZ provide Korean food cooking lecture. They provide
Could be
lecture
fun,
about
yeah.
cooking Korean traditional food. So and it's free for foreigners.
Oh.
So you should definitely try. If they have the Facebook page that you can enter, and inside that Facebook page they have the open Kakao group chat that you can enter and get some information about what IFEZ provides to foreigners, what you can do with IFEZ, what you can get from them. You just need to reach out for help. Do you like it?
Yeah. It's not bad.
Okay.
you can finish the sandwich.
Yeah. Not you. No. See you around school. Bye.
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 Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself I don't wanna
Like,
let you
subscribe.
go.
아니 다시?
Like and subscribe.
Strangers on the run,
뭐라?
looking for something.
One more time.
All those days
Like
trying
and
to
subscribe.
find a
Thank you for watching.
piece of you, we can just